natural health for beginners.
How to make avocado oil. Avocado oil is a nutrient-rich, versatile ingredient that can be used for cooking, skincare, and hair care. Making your own avocado oil at home ensures you get a pure and high-quality product without added chemicals or preservatives. This guide will show you how to extract avocado oil step by step with exact quantities. Ingredients and tools. 12 ripe avocados. Ensure they are fresh and soft for better oil extraction. Blender or food processor. Large mixing bowl. Cheesecloth or fine strainer. Baking sheet. Spatula. Glass jar or bottle, for storage. Oven or dehydrator. Step-by-step instructions. Prepare the avocados. Cut the avocados in half and remove the pits. Scoop out the flesh into a blender or food processor. Blend into a paste. Blend the avocado flesh until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Heat to release oils. Preheat your oven to 120 degrees Fahrenheit 50 degrees Celsius. Spread the avocado paste evenly onto a baking sheet. Place the sheet in the oven and let it dehydrate for about 4 to 5 hours, or until the paste turns dark and feels slightly crisp. Stir occasionally with a spatula to ensure even drying. Tip: if you're using a dehydrator, follow the manufacturer's instructions and dehydrate at the same temperature. Extract the oil. Once the paste is dried and cooled, place it into a large mixing bowl. Using your hands or a cheesecloth, squeeze and press the paste to release the oil. For the best results, wrap the paste in a cheesecloth and twist tightly to extract as much oil as possible. Strain the oil. Pour the extracted oil through a fine strainer or another piece of cheesecloth to remove any solid particles. Store the avocado oil. Transfer the oil into a clean glass jar or bottle. Ensure it's airtight to preserve freshness. Store in a cool, dark place. The oil can last up to 6 months if stored properly. Tips for success. Choose ripe but not overripe avocados to maximize oil content. Avoid overheating during dehydration to retain the nutrients and flavor of the oil. Use the leftover avocado pulp as a natural compost material or as a base for DIY scrubs. Homemade avocado oil is a rewarding process that ensures you get the purest product possible. Whether for culinary or cosmetic use, your freshly made avocado oil will be a beneficial addition to your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY beauty and skincare recipes.